Yeah.
Oh, I get to see lemurs.
Oh, we'll be at that. You're gonna be going to get yourself a pedicure. Just making a little nest there, aren't you, huh? Got Dutch. Got Dutch. Huh? Just making a little nest. Huh? Come here, babe. Come here, babe. Think it's funny? Well, you're just gonna get a little pedicure. Ain't nothing to be worried about, okay? You're gonna be fine, okay? Hmm?
Alright, no. Just want to let you know there's me.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Alright,
Alright. Have a good lunch. Silly thing. Hmm? Silly thing. Silly thing. You're such a pretty birdie, huh? You're a pretty birdie. Just being silly right now. I know it's a way to calm you down. You messing around with bedding and shavings. Poor birdie. You making a nest because you're nervous. You don't, or is it just some new stuff you haven't seen before? Yep, you're gonna go to a pet store to get yourself groomed up so your beak won't be so sharp, be puncturing skin. Yeah, Dutch. Yeah, Dutch. Yeah, Dutch, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I know, pretty bird. Pretty bird. Come here, pretty bird. Such a pretty bird, huh? Such a pretty bird. Well, I guess I'll see you next weekend, even though you're going to be back probably today, but I won't see you again until like Friday or Saturday. I want you to be a good bird, okay? Well, since this is you we're talking about, you're probably going to bite the snot out of people, for I know.